Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, if you've watched the reunion part 1 of Umnawethu Happily Ever After, guys, uDulas confesses ukuthi udlise uMamhlongo, and that's the reason uMamhlongo she goes abuye. Guys, all of these seasons we've been asking ourselves ukuthi hayibo, what gives uDulas isho engaka ukuthi uMamhlongo, even if she can leave, she will come back? Kanti uBhutiza uyazi ukuthi le ngama-back doors yena he did something, umdlisile. Angazi-ke isidliso, guys, mukhulunywa ngesidliso, if it's something you put in the food or ubiza igama lomuntu or angazi. But anyway, this is when Linda Sbiya, right, if I'm not mistaken, the host, he was asking uDulas, mfethu, umenzani uMamhlongo ukuze for you to be so sure ukuthi she'll always come back? uDulas says ukuthi eyomkhovo akayazi. Remember last week uNokuzana uMamhlongo went to hlola by Samantha's Gwabela, if I can say it in that way. Then bamtshela ukuthi phela uDulas uwenza umkhovu wena, uwenza ukuthi izinto zakhe zilale nawe. And uDulas, he knows ukuthi leyo ngane that ephuncukile, he knows mele umbuze ukuthi iphi ingane yakho. So on the reunion now, uDulas says ukuthi eyomkhovu ayikho. I haven't turned uMamhlongo to be umkhovu wami, kodwa-ke ngimlungisile ngokuthi angahlakaniphi. Meaning that ukuthi ayibo, I put this girl in the way ukuthi ayibo abesisidumi sami nje lento engiyikhulumayo azwe lokhu engikukhulumayo. Meaning if other guys probably come, I'm guessing that's what it's like. If other guys probably come, you don't hear anything. The guys are saying you don't have feelings for any other guy. It's only this guy. I'm just like, guys, uDulas, and the thing is, he's not even afraid. But my question is, if Uzthemba, if you really trust yourself so much, why do you want the intervention of African medicine in order for a person to stay with you? If you believe in yourself ukuthi ngempela you are all high almighty as uDulas believes that he is, why not believe ukuthi uthando and the way you treat him uMamhlongo will keep her there? So kusho ukuthi you know very well ukuthi lo angeke ayihlalele lencalo, but you're using something else to force her to stay in that situation. For me, guys, it boggled my mind ukuthi abantu, why do you even dlisa abantu? Don't you feel ngathi ayilo muntu ulana because kunezinto ezimenza ukuthi abe lana, not ukuthi uyafuna, and you still fine in that relationship? Hayibo, guys, but uzinhle-ke kudala people have been saying this ukuthi hayibo, uDulas, these girls, uzidlisile ingane zabantu, and kusho ukuthi uzinhle-ke she's finally seen the light. Asazi-ke, guys, because ugirl did say ukuthi bamgezile, and ke kusho ukuthi now she's got protection for izinto zikaDulas ukuthi zingamcindezeli or something like that. We don't know if ugirl is really gonna go back to uDulas, because I noticed when Linda asked, are you still with uDulas? She said, no, ngiphumile. But when uDulas asked her ukuthi, like now, bengicela ukuthi uchaze into that ezwakalayo, because from here, if you say that you're no longer here, I'm not gonna beg you, something like that. She didn't say anything to uDulas, so I feel like she always wants to keep the door open, and she knows that uDulas loves her. So I feel like she uses this to her benefit to a certain extent, of when she goes, she can go, and when she comes back, the door is forever open. So let's see, angithi manje everything has come to the light. Let's see really if she's gonna leave this guy, which I honestly don't see happening, or either she's gonna come back, and I don't know what excuse she's going to use this time around. But indaba kaMamhlongo noDulas, guys, khathele yiyo, because these two people, it looks like they love one another outside of idliso. But anyway, yeah, but before I get there, guys, do you also think that maybe there's a possibility that lesi sidliso made uMamhlongo ukuthi abe tone it down kancane. Because this season, hi man, uGeli, it's like she's no longer the same. And we've been saying, ingathi uGeli uzithobile nyana. So besingazi ukuthi maybe it's the stuff she's been through, or maybe who knows so that's making her to be submissive. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on the Saibo Abadula Stapelani, guys. Other guys will take advantage of the fact to wena uthandaza wenzile next. So bazozenzela nje ngempilo yakho, okay? Be careful out there, guys. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, you guys. Please do also make sure you watch the ads. That's just your way of showing appreciation or support to this channel. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.